How to delete Evony account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the process of deleting your Evony account permanently. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Evony app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your game account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dot icon on the right side of the screen, and from the pop-up menu you simply need to tap on settings and you will be prompted to the settings section. In this section you can see the option label account. Simply tap on that, and here you can see the option to delete account. So simply tap on delete account, and after that you will be asked to type delete to confirm your action. So simply type delete on the text bar, and remember that all the letters should be capital. And once you have typed that, you can simply tap on confirm. And after that, you can simply tap on quit game to ensure your changes are applied. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Evony account permanently. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.